Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about how getting dental insurance can improve your well-being and bring you a better, healthier smile. If you have trouble remembering the last time you visited a dentist or you need a specific treatment, but find it too expensive, you may be risking your dental care and consequently your overall health. But no need to worry. We can help. We're proud to be the premier local dental insurance service, and our dentists are fully qualified to bring you personalized attention, affordable dental care plans, and all the assistance you need. We offer a wide variety of plans that easily cover all of your dental needs. So contact us now to schedule a free no-obligation consultation and make sure you always have a healthy smile. Web Diversity Media will customize this video to match your needs.